super early this morning. Just out here by moonlight, basically. We're gonna drive into the park early so that we can get a spot at the very popular hike that we want to do. But wow, it is crystal clear. We're gonna have a good day today.
The seems like it'd be easy, like changing the sheets.
All right, just arrived to the shuttle parking, which we actually didn't know about. Just got the coffee made, little birthday coffee.
Yeah, we spiked it with some pure maple Canadian syrup. If you guys don't know, I get like pretty motion sick, which is why I always drive, but I had to take Dramamine because anytime we take like any kind of public transport, it's bad.
Scarlett's feeling sleepy because she took some Dramamine because we were anticipating taking a bus ride that we could not actually book because we didn't have a reservation. So we're at a different hike now, one that we can actually park in the parking lot, which is kind of what we prefer to do rather than shuttle in just with the ladies and everything. So we're super stoked on this hike. Trying to redeem the day, hey?
Yeah.
It's a little restful.
A little sleepy.
Yeah. Dramamine won't get you like that, huh? Just take a little nappy. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. No, you can't go. I'm sorry. Bye. I'd call that a redemption hike, if nothing else, right?
It's beautiful.
Some good snow right there.
Beautiful.
Hi.
Hey.
How does it feel to be 26?
Just grateful for another year. Sorry, I don't want to say more because I don't want to get emotional.
You're alright. Love you.
Love you too. I don't want to cry.
It's okay. Got to eat our snacks at the top of the trail, so now we're snacking on the way down. Oh, dude, this thing is sick.
Oh,
Hi.
Wow. Hi.
Hi. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Ladies, come on, lady babies.
Hi.
How are you? Want to say hi to the vlog? The vlog. She's ready. She's ready for a drive. Put my cool guy shades on. Oh, thank you. Oh, she's grooming me. That's a beautiful thing. She never grooms even herself.
Is that the road or is this the road? When the
I have no idea. Is it stacked?
Yeah.
Is it busted?
I see why.
All day. Just don't hit this grav.
I am in a pickle.
You better James Bond that and freaking spin her into... What's wrong? Are you sad? A few minutes away from the hike, we just pulled off at this pull-off that's just on the side of the road, basically. But look at this view. Van is an absolute wreck, as it normally is after we go hiking or any kind of adventuring. As you can see here, the van is looking real nice. Oh!
I'm gonna go up on the roof.
On the menu today, we've got a lovely charcuterie board. Honestly, not my finest work. Some crackers, some fruit, always fun to do, and it's a special occasion, so figured we'd break out the old charcuterie board today. And go ahead and pass this up to Scarlett. Here. Just got done making a little snack plate, a little lunch there, eating it up on the roof at this beautiful little pull-off. And now we're headed to our spot for the night, which is gonna be a little bit different than it usually is. So stay tuned for that.
The dichotomy, I feel like I'm using the right word here, dichotomy of eating a charcuterie board up on the roof, like right next to like cars, just like zooming by. It just sums up van life.
Do you want to tell them where we're headed tonight?
Yeah, we booked a fun little staycation. This will be the first place we're like staying outside of the van.
We're very excited.
Honestly, it's sometimes more work than it's worth, just because I feel like you become very like, wow, I'm doing so good.
Well, you have to pack up your stuff and take it in, and like you become very used to having all your stuff with you all the time in the van, right?
I feel like you become so incompetent at like packing and being aware of like your future. Like you can't estimate your needs or your like anything when you live in a van, because it's just like you have everything you need all the time. But yeah, it'll be a fun little change of pace. It's a pretty unique hotel. It's on or near a glacier, and you can like do an excursion out to the glacier, but I don't think we're gonna do that. The ladies,
Because
they can't come.
Lula will be chaperoning Baby Sash for the night because this one needs a chaperone.
She's a little high maintenance. It's a beautiful day. The most gorgeous day we've had in this area so far. We got fresh pow.
Beauty hike.
A beauty pull off. I mean, what more could you ask for? Come on.
Freaking beauty day, to be honest.
I feel so fancy. Gated entry. Got my satchel.
I got my little bag. We got the ladies all set up. So we got water down there for them. We're about to feed them right before we go.
We actually just checked in, and it worked out that they ended up upgrading us for free to the Glacier View Lodge over the Mountain View Lodge. We also had a room. The only thing that was available was like 2 queen beds. So we got upgraded to Glacier View and a king bed. So come on, lady.
Oh, come on.
This one's so polite. This one,
Yeah.
she's so polite.
She's just built different.
No.
Hey. Oh, I'm gonna miss the ladies. They're so cute. No.
No. Okay.
Let's get it.
Rep Lululemon. I think this is like the most expensive outfit I've ever worn. This, and the Lululemon bag. So
Wow.
sponsor us.
Look at you.
A birthday girl in her birthday world.
Pretty gual.
Every time we leave the ladies now, I'm always like, oh my God, did we pull out their litter box? Because in the last van we lived in and built, they had like a pull-out litter box.
Oh, that's so true. That's
Yeah.
so nice that we don't ever have to think about that anymore.
I know.
Wow.
We already recorded a room tour, but the camera died. This is our room. We have this wardrobe. Ooh, a yoga mat. A little safe. Pantry here for some goods. A little fridge action, some coffee, tea materials. Then coming into the bathroom, we have this lovely big vanity here with a lovely large shower, which we will be taking full advantage of course. Van lifers. This is probably my favorite part of the room, this little nook right here. And we were joking about how like we just feel like there should be like a pop-up like hidden bench shower here, if you guys have seen those in our vans. We have the bed, which is very comfortable. These blue velvet plush chairs, which are just so lovely. And obviously our upgraded Glacier View. And we just discovered that this little window opens here. You can actually kind of pop your head out there.
Look at that, Bia.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Really cool. There's just something about snow. It's so like magical and peaceful. But yeah, anyways, that's the room.
Thank you for the tour, Scarlett.
I think we're gonna go down to the restaurant now. We did check the menu and they actually have some amazing vegan options. So I'm very excited.
That's good. That's good. Good morning. It's a nice, beautiful day out here. You can actually see in the distance, they're out on the glacier right now. It's nice and brisk this morning, but actually not nearly as cold as I was thinking. You might be saying to yourself, Seth, why are you out here at 6 a.m.? I'm going to check on the ladies. I'm also quite the light sleeper and typically don't sleep that well in a new environment. So woke up quite early this morning. Figured I'd go check out the ladies. Look at this. Quit playing around. It's beautiful. Ladies, ladies. Hi, did you miss us? Oh, it's nice and toasty in here, ladies. We're always very cautious about leaving the ladies overnight. The van is like super well insulated. I did come out late last night at 11:30 and run the heater for a while, get it really, really nice and toasty in here, which it seems like it maintained quite a bit of that heat. Ready? There you go. A little bit there. And Lula right here. Right there. I love these ladies so much. Look how cute they are. Now that I confirmed that the ladies are doing all right, I'm gonna head back in, get Scarlett up, get some coffee going. Thank you for watching. Scarlett and I are really enjoying making these videos. We plan to put a lot of work into them moving forward. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Like the video, it really helps us out. And we'll catch you next week for another episode.